Hey everybody, this is Chris Holcomb out in the another cold day in Detroit. But it's cold everywhere, mostly everywhere. Some areas it's not. But I'm not a weatherman, so I'm not here to talk about the weather. Yes, it's another great video of Chris Holcomb TV, and I'm your host, Chris Holcomb, the Motor City Visionary, Metro Detroit elite real estate investor. And today what I want to tell you guys as I'm going through neighborhoods, checking out properties, is primarily about private lending. And I know there's a lot of things out there regarding it. There's a lot of opportunities out there. Michigan, not just Detroit, is a great opportunity to invest in it and pretty much do it. But a lot of people want to know how it works in certain situations. Well, I would tell you what, private lending to me is a great opportunity, especially if you've got a 401k that's in the stock market or an IRA. You can roll those over to self-directed IRAs where they're still an IRA, or they're still they won't be a 401k, but they'll still be an IRA, and they'll function in that nature. However, you control what you invest in. So you can still invest some in the market, and say you have $50,000, you want to do $25,000 in real estate. Give you an opportunity to do a joint venture with an investor and do a 50-50 profit return on that deal. Also, it all goes back into the account tax-free. So it's really building up your retirement, building up your funds, so you'll be able to do things that you would want to do. So it's more messing with your passive income, or your what you would say, residual income that you're trying to build, versus your active income that you make every day in your checks. Even though some of that percentage goes into that IRA, hopefully. Other opportunities to become a private lender, not in a joint venture aspect, but lend to an investor at a certain percentage. Think about it. If your 401k is giving you only 8% throughout the year, or 6% performing, you can roll it over to an IRA, self-directed, and charge an investor, or the investor may be offering 10% or 8% on the return of a deal. Or on, not even on the deal, but primarily on your money. So if you have $50,000 and you say, all right, for 6 months, we're going to do 10%. That means you get $5,000. A lot of 401ks and performing stocks and mutual funds are not performing like that at all. So it's things to think about. To me, everybody talk about diversified, but they only diversified in paper. To be truly diversified, you got to do more than just paper. You got to do real estate. You got to do other business opportunities, and keep yourself diversified. Because if you're only in the stock market, we know what happened about 7 years ago. Everybody went from the highs of the highs to the lows of the lows, because hey, all their money was in one location, and when it dropped, you dropped with it. So private lending gives you that opportunity. You're also going to lend and become an investment group, and maybe lend to bigger contractors, construction opportunities. Everything has its risk and gain. I would say that, just like the stock market. However, if you do your due diligence and work with people who are upfront, transparent, it's a great opportunity. It's always about relationships. Even when you're working or doing 401ks, if you have a trusted investor or a trusted agent or whatever they call themselves that invest in you into aggressive stocks, they'll understand what you need and what's best for you. Well, that's the same way in real estate. I think the risk is probably equal, is definitely equal or less, because if all hell break loose, I got a property. Because for one thing, I'm going to be on the first lien on the mortgage, or they're going to have some kind of collateral. So if anything happens, I own something that I can see. Stocks is paper. You can't see anything. The company could just go bankrupt. You just lose your money. So it's just those things to think about. I think private lending at different percentages in a long-term game is a great opportunity. I'm not going to lie to you. It ain't the lottery. You can't say, oh, I'm going to give you $20,000. You're going to make me $20,000. That might not probably happen on a normal basis. Don't get me wrong. There are wholesale flips. There's bigger margins that you can invest in. That may be an opportunity. Well, all I wanted to do is tell you guys that a lot of people don't know about self-directed IRAs. Look into there's equity trust. There are other companies that can give you an idea of what you can do with your money to invest in real estate. And like I say, it's tax-free. If it's not linked up with a company where they're matching your 401k, and I'll stick with that. If it's just your own account and it's the company and yourself and it's going direct deposit, yeah, I would look to roll it over. Because if I get better returns doing real estate, especially in the Metro Detroit area, then I'm going to definitely do it. Maybe the area you live in may not be an opportunity, but hey, definitely There are opportunities here, and you just got to get with the right people, and you can definitely make the right ROI that you're looking for, cash on cash returns. So that is it for today, as my ears are freaking freezing, and I wanted to give you guys that information on private lending and get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. As always, give me feedback, watch my other videos. If you see the link down there, we're gonna have some more exciting stuff with different contractors that we're working with, which is Priceless Preservation, which does excellent work. So we're going to definitely walk through a lot of rehabs, different projects as we're working on, to just proceed on to show you the journey we do and the type of work we do out here. So thank you for your time. Always, I appreciate you guys. If you like it, definitely subscribe and stay consistent and stay focused. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.